It is hurricane season again. LIQUI-TARP is available for storm-damaged roof repair when a temporary solution is needed. When supplies are short, anything around the house can work, even a t-shirt. Permapatch caulk can be used where some extra protection is needed. It is a trowelable compound. LIQUI-TARP is an elastomeric roof coating and alternative to a blue tarp for quick repairs before the roof can be professionally repaired. Available in bright white, tarp blue, or any custom color. If you need a quick repair compound which can last years if needed, then LIQUI-TARP is a great option for your roof repair. Contact us today for a free estimate, or it is available online for a quick and easy purchase.